many happily married couples do we have? You know, and there was like maybe 5 or 10. They're like, yeah. And I'm like, and how many unhappily married couples do we have here tonight? And there were like 30. They were like, yeah! And they were happy about it. So I was like, that's a first. I mean, we played this song this whole year, and that was a first. So we were like, okay, cool, well, you'll like this song then. It's kind of a funny song. I like it. It's just kind of like life, right? Must be mistaken me with the maid we don't have. Can't even wash your own whiskey out your glass. I gave you no loving in a month or so. I can't live without you, but I can't let you go. Hey, hey, it's alright. Everybody fusses, everybody fights. With all of the baggage you and me carry, we'll spend forever unhappily married.
Song all the time.
You better start working some overtime. Can't buy heels on nickels and dimes. You're going bald and I'm getting fat. I hate your mom and you hate my dad. Hey, hey, it's alright. Everybody fusses, everybody fights. With all the baggage you and me carry, we'll spend forever unhappily. I'll cook your dinner if you wash my car. May as well keep going. Hell, we made it this far. We'll both play our parts in this disaster. I'll be the and you'll be the. Hey, hey, it's alright. Everybody fusses, everybody fights. With all of the baggage you and me carry, we'll spend forever unhappily married. Everybody fights. All of the baggage you and me carry, we'll spend forever unhappily married. Oh, we'll spend forever unhappily married. We'll spend forever unhappily married. Can I get an amen?